SNA PRO-EU 3 to 6.5K power solutions. We suggest you take a moment to read the user manual before the installation. Please install a dual interlock switch, or dual power switch, between the inverter and the load as well as between the inverter and the grid. Install the corresponding switches in other locations. Please ensure that the ambient temperature ranges from 25 to 60 degrees Celsius, and that the operational altitude does not exceed 2,000 meters. Place the inverter on a well-shaded site to proof the direct sunlight, rain and snow, etc. Mount the inverter on a wall at an angle of 75 to 90 degrees to the ground. Ensure that you have the following tools with you. The inverter is a wall-mounted bracket type. Choose a suitable installation location and try to align the display screen with the line of sight. Step 1. Use the mounting template to mark the positions of the 3 mounting holes. Then drill holes with a diameter of 8 mm and a depth greater than 50 mm. Step 2. Align the wall mount bracket with the mounting holes. Insert the expansion bolts into the holes, and tighten them. Then prefix the supplied L-shaped wall bracket to the wall using the expansion screws. Step 3. Hang the inverter onto the bracket, and then secure the side L-shaped wall bracket to the inverter. Before performing any wiring operations, remove the bottom cover of the inverter. Ensure the inverter is completely powered off before removing the cover. A sheet following shows the adequate power cable. Step 1. Strip off from 6 to 8 mm, 0.25 to 0.31 inch, insulation from the cable end. Crimp cable lugs for the cable ends. Use insulation tape or heat gun to reinforce and insulate the connection. Step 2. Insert the battery cables with pre-crimped ring terminals straight into the inverter's battery connection ports. Step 3. Place the terminal on the corresponding positive and negative interfaces. Step 4. Use the nuts to secure the terminals. Use a socket wrench to tighten. Refer to the sheet for adequate cable selection. Please double-check the lowest ambient temperature of the installation location. Please assemble the positive and negative PV terminals following the matching diagram. Strip off from 6 to 8 mm, 0.25 to 0.31 inch, insulation on the PV string's positive and negative conductors. Assemble the cable ends to crimp contacts. Lead the cable through the cable seal and socket, then insert into the corresponding insulator. Notice, you will hear a click sound if it's fitting in place. Then tighten the cable gland.
The positive and negative PV connectors are now ready for installation. Align the positive and negative connectors for each PV input, then push them together by hand until a click is heard or felt.
Recommended cable size for grid, load gen and PE wiring are listed below. Step 1. Strip off from 8 to 10 mm, 0.31 to 0.39 inch, insulation on the cable. Step 2. For fine-stranded conductors, fit a wire ferrule onto the conductor and crimp it securely. Step 3. Route the cables through the openings of the cable gland. Step 4. Refer to the labels inside the wiring compartment and connect the cables to the correct terminals accordingly. Step 5. Tighten the screws above the terminals to ensure the cables are securely connected. Step 1. Route the cables through the openings of the cable gland. Step 2. Refer to the labels inside the wiring compartment and connect the cables to the correct terminals accordingly. Step 3. Tighten the screws above the terminals to ensure the cables are securely connected. The table below lists the recommended generator capacities corresponding to the number of parallel inverters. Step 1. Route the cables through the openings of the cable gland. Step 2. Refer to the labels inside the wiring compartment and connect the cables to the correct terminals accordingly. Step 3. Tighten the screws above the terminals to ensure the cables are securely connected. The generator start signal shall be connected to the COM board Gen Nominal Open Port (NO and COM). If users want to start the generator remotely, the specific wiring operations will be demonstrated in the communication section. Step 1. Route the cables through cable seal. Squeeze the battery and CT communication cable and dry contact wires into the rubber plug. Step 2. Tighten the cable gland to ensure proper waterproof sealing. Step 3. Plug in the CT and battery communication cable. Step 4. Connect to the dry contact terminal for remote start. To measure the power import from and export to the grid, a CT or meter must be installed at the service entry point in or near the main service panel. We standard supply one CT for one inverter. Clamp the CT on the L wire of the grid cable and make sure CT is pointed to the inverter.
Since the inverter has a built-in dongle, an antenna needs to be installed to boost signal strength.
All connection complete. Turn on the power switch. Turn on the PV impulse switch. Tap Enter, then go to Setting to enter the common page. Select lithium battery, choose the correct battery brand. You can monitor the inverter by configuring the dongle and registering an account using a mobile app. Use your smartphone to scan the QR code to download the Luxcloud app. Observe the LCD screen, wait for the icon to appear,
indicating that the dongle is connected but not yet configured for the network.
Step 1. Log into your app account. Tap Create Plant. Allow location permission when prompted, fill in the basic plant information, and submit. Step 2. In the pop-up window, tap Next. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and tap Add by Bluetooth. Step 3. Select the serial number that matches the one on the device sticker and tap Next. Step 4. On the next screen, select or enter your home Wi-Fi network, enter the Wi-Fi password, and tap Save. The dongle will reboot automatically. After completing the configuration, tap Done. Step 5. Tap Enter, then go to Data, to enter the Wi-Fi page. After a while, you will see wireless CON and server CON turn OK one after another. Meanwhile, in the home page, when this icon appears, it means the device is successfully connected to the network. After dongle connection is completed, install the guardrail barrier. The basic installation and network configuration have been demonstrated. If you encounter any issues during the installation process, please feel free to contact us.